Hey world, Jessica Kirsh here. I am headed down to Lucid Motor Vehicles, or Lucid Motor Company. Lucid Motor Company. It's 110 degrees today on the 10, and I'm just gonna do a little quick video there. They were showing tremendous progress when I was there a couple of months ago, so I'm interested to see what it looks like now. Stay tuned. According to Google Maps, from the Lucid Motor Vehicle Factory here in Casa Grande to the site of the construction, the factory that's under construction for Nikola, it is 22 minutes or 24 miles. So they're very close proximity to one another. We are headed the complete opposite direction on the same highway as you would go to the Nikola construction site. So just to note that these are very close together, the Lucid Motor Company and the Nikola Vehicle Company. I am just down the street from the Lucid Motor Vehicles factory here in Casa Grande, Arizona. Coming up, I can feel it. I've been here before. Oh, I think it's just past this intersection. Here we go. All right, Lucid, where are you at? Oh, here it is. Aha! Yeah. You've arrived. I've arrived. Let's drive by on all corners, shall we? So when a company says that their factory is under construction, this is what I pictured. This is Lucid Motor Vehicle Company, and this is in Casa Grande, Arizona. As you can see, there's an actual factory here, and there's actually people working. They're moving dirt. There's a ton of vehicles parked over there. This is Lucid Motor Vehicles. Last time I was here, they were making progress. Clearly, they've continued to make progress. As you can see, there are vehicles all the way down as far as the eye can see. They're really doing some stuff. Lots of vehicles moving around here. Lots of cars parked over there. Lucid Motor Vehicles. As you can see, there's plenty of progress being made here at Lucid Motor Vehicles. They're paving the parking lot. There's actual construction happening on this factory. And I'll show you with me in it so you can actually see that it's real life progress. It's not a rendering. See? The progress. Stuff moving around. There's construction. There's all kinds of things happening. And this is just the exterior.